Hi, I'm Michelle, an application engineer at Markforged, and today we're going to go over how 3D printing end effectors can improve your manufacturing workflow. End effectors are a form of end-of-arm tooling that enable robotic arms to grasp and manipulate parts during relocation, machining, assembly, or many other operations. With 3D printing, you can quickly create a library of custom end effectors that can be optimized to allow one robot to perform multiple operations. This means you can automate more of your processes with fewer specialized robots. It also means you save a lot of time. Your job shop might not be able to predict which end effectors you need far in advance. A 3D printer produces a new part within hours, even overnight, with no management required. You can print your end effectors in non-marring composites with high strength-to-weight ratios, allowing your robot to transport a heavier payload with a lighter end effector. Or, you can print with durable, wear-resistant metals to achieve maximum surface hardness. Let's take a look at how we can use a Markforged 3D printer to do this. I've pulled up a 3D model of an end effector that would typically be machined. 3 of these are used together to securely grip and move thousands of pipe couplings. I'll upload it to our 3D printing software and define a few characteristics to optimize the part. With Markforged, we can add continuous fiber reinforcement exactly where we want additional strength and stiffness. Instead of individually machining each part, we can now 3D print all of them at once in a single print job. With no programming or machining required, in just under a day, we'll have a set of 3D printed end effectors that are ready to be installed directly onto our robotic arm.